how you can use your iPhone as a mic for Discord app. So first thing first, let's open the Discord app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen. So now you can see there is Alice at the left side, who is basically a mic group. So you can see there is voice channel section, and in this section there is lobby and gaming, so you can choose any of them according to your preference. So let me choose the lobby for now, and once you tap on it, make sure you are logged in with PC and phone simultaneously, and make sure to use the phone for call, and just tap on the join voice, and yeah, you will be able to use your iPhone as a mic for Discord app successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to use your iPhone as a mic for Discord app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.